In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Jeep Cherokee key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2021 and runs on one CR2032 battery. Super easy to change your battery at home. You can just order one of these online. I'll leave a link in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and then just follow along with this video and you'll have a new battery in there in no time. Just look towards the bottom where the key ring is, and you can see there's a separation in the two halves of the key fob. You can take a flathead screwdriver and start to press it into that area, just wiggling until it slides in like that, you see. Twist, and it will start to separate. You can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can come down, continue twisting until it comes apart. Now we want to take this rubber component that has the circuit board inside. Just gently remove it and set that to the side right now. And now you can use your finger or flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the battery. Go ahead and dispose of that. Take a new CR2032 battery and make sure the positive side with the text goes face down. Slide it into place and it will click in. That's really all it takes. Now we just put this back together, put the rubber on top of the battery like that. Position this on top and just click it all back together. And that's it. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, feel free to leave a like or a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.